Hi guys, so today I'm going to be recovering this motorbike seat. It has a little bit of damage. It's here. It's had some repairs before, so I'm going to make a new cover for it. So the first job is to remove the old one. So I'm just going to remove all the staples. They are a bit rusty, so a lot of them might snap. Not too bad so far. There we have it. A bit of damage here on the foam. So I'll take this apart, steam it, see what kind of shape it is, and then work it out from that. Oh, it's very, very brittle. So it's probably not going to want to lie very flat either. We'll see how it goes. It's been heavily stretched to get it on. To stretch it even more, and then reduce the size of it when I've cut it out. What I'm going to try and do now is I'm just going to try and keep this edge nice and see what happens. That's a boat centre. I'm just going to pattern this little bit here. I'm going to do a test. It may work out fine, it may not. But by just doing a test one, I expect this first one to not actually work, but to give me plenty of information. So I'll cut out one, I'll actually sew it together. So I'll sew this back piece on. I'll not put any of this bit on the side yet. I'll just make it slightly bigger all around. I'll try and put it on to this seat, and then from that point I can assess what needs to be done with the pattern itself, where it needs to be adjusted to make it fit. It may be okay, who knows, but I know this piece will be fine. I'll just steam this out. So as you can see, the test didn't come out too bad. There's a few little areas that need the pattern adjusting, so just here the pattern needs adjusting, but everywhere else it'll be absolutely fine. So I'm going to have to take this off, recut a new piece, or new two pieces, and then I can start to attach it. So I'm going to cut a new piece now, and then I'll remove this. I need to fill this here. You can see where the foam has got a big chunk missing, so I'll fill that in as well. That is pretty obvious. So let's hope this is right now. Should it'd be a lot closer, even though the other one wasn't a million miles away. So that should be right now. So I need to actually put a turn on these, so I've got a bit more fabric just for strength. So now they're cut out again, I'll just sew these back together. So it's now machined together, I just need to fit it. So hopefully this will fit just perfectly. I'm just turning the seams so they all face the same way. So I'm just going to put a couple of staples just here, just to hold it in place for now. So I'm going to need plenty of steam to stretch this. It just warms up the vinyl, makes it a bit more stretchy. I'm just working from one side to the other, just to keep it as even as I can. Some of these staples may need to come out to be adjusted again. Yep, it needs to go. I'll tell you what, I'll do this side first. This side's much better than the other side. So I need to stretch it forward a little bit. So I'll take these two staples out here, and I can give it a stretch. Now looking a little bit wrinkle free. So this is the bit I need to stretch most. Now I'll take this out here. Getting there. So just the last corner to do, and then put some more staples in the back. So just this corner to do. Shouldn't be too bad. Yep, should be fine there. So that's done. Ready for the customer.